Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to save both time and money while in college. These were things that I wish I knew earlier and I want to share them with you here today. Some of the questions I pose to you are: what if you could finish college with your bachelor's degree in 2 to 3 years as opposed to 4? What if you can reduce the cost of college tuition? Would any of this interest you? Please like, comment, and subscribe and turn that notification bell on for more academic video guides. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's begin by speaking about the cost of college tuition. Did you know that some public universities charge around $300 per credit hour? Now imagine that you're taking a 3-hour credit course in chemistry. That could easily run up to around $900. That's also assuming that you have in-state tuition. Tuition costs can rise dramatically for those out-of-state. In a typical private university, you can spend around $1,000 per credit hour. Some schools can charge even more. For a student taking 4 courses for 12 credits, the cost could be around $12,000 for tuition alone in a single semester. There are many more fees included though, like rental fees for dorms, food, transportation, and even money to spend on your hobbies. So as you guys can see, that cost can be very, very high. Now, what are some ways to make this crazy high price tag go down? Well, we will talk about that later. There is another cost that we have to deal with first. That cost is your time, your most valuable asset. Think about all the time you spend on studying, eating, completing homework, and the time you spend with family. All of that takes time. Now, what if there was a way to save both time and money? Would this be of interest to you guys? So the answer to being able to save both your time and money is called Clep, or College Level Examination Program. You can earn college credit for what you simply already know. All you have to do is take a test at your local college. So basically the steps for this are: you have to register to take the test, study, and pass the test, which gives you automatic college credit. This saves you from having to take the course in college. Now, regarding the options on the board, option 1 is to pay $900 to $4,000 to take a chemistry course and spend 4 months studying for it. Or you can pay less than $100 and take a test, which saves you around 3.5 months. I know for a fact that I would clearly choose option number 2, as it just makes the most logical sense and saves you the most money. Now, the only problem with this program is that it depends largely on how much you already know in a particular subject, but hopefully you already have a good foundation from high school. If you lack a background, you may have to take the course, but still. Along with saving you time, you could save up to $3,900, which you could put toward another possible course that interests you, or another hobby that interests you, or towards a higher end dorm, etc. Okay, now here is a list of some of the subjects that you are able to Clep out of. This does not contain all the subjects, so some research on your end may be required. These are just some of the classes that allow you to simply go in, pass a test, and get automatic college credit, which allow you to avoid having to take that class in college and spend a ridiculous amount of money on it. Some of the classes that you are able to Clep out of are psychology, sociology, macro, micro, econ, French 1 and 2, Spanish 1 and 2, English Lit, English Comp, college algebra, pre-calc, calc, chem, and bio. If your class isn't on this board, you may still be able to Clep out of it, so I would do some research before you just write it off for sure, because it can save you a lot of money and a lot of time, which is very valuable at the end of the day, as time is your most valuable asset. So as you guys can see, there are a lot of classes that you are simply just able to take a test and receive automatic college credit for, which is super helpful and it's super amazing. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Peace.